So let us analyze today whether this glorious Qur'an is compatible or incompatible to modern science. Whether does it pass the test of today, the test of modern science. According to Albert Einstein, the famous physicist and the Nobel Prize winner, he said that science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. Let me repeat it, that Albert Einstein, the famous physicist and the Nobel Prize winner, said that science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. Let me remind you that the glorious Qur'an is not a book of science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E, but it is a book of signs, S-I-G-N-S. It's a book of Ayaats. And there are more than 6,000 Ayaats, 6,000 signs in the glorious Qur'an, out of which more than 1,000 speak about science. As far as my talk today is concerned, I will only be speaking about scientific facts which have been established. I will not be speaking about scientific theories and hypotheses, which all of us know very well, that many a time these theories and hypotheses, they take U-turns.